just like that. Hold on to your toolbox like I showed you. George, it's in. It's in.
Yay!
Get the next screw, sweetie. Hold on to your toolbox. No, that's it. That's the right way. You got it. You've got it. Now hold on to this, like that, like I showed you. There you go. That's it. Get another screw. Hold on to your toolbox. That's right. Get a good grip. Oh! That's okay.
No! No!
That's all right. Now, do you want to take them out? Here, don't run it. Remember, like I showed you, flip the switch. All right, now put one hand here, and now take out your screws. You got it. Hold on to your box. Good boy. Put it again. It's not out yet. All right, now pick it up. Good boy. Can you do the other two? Good work. Your daddy will be so proud. Hey, all right. Next. This is a toy that has on the box 2 to 6 year olds. I think it's out, son. It's done. Remember what I said? You have to flip the switch. Flip the switch on your screwdriver. All right. Are you changing out your drill bit? Push it down in. There you go. All night long. Haven't even made it to dinner yet, and it's 6:30. Elizabeth Price bought George this, and it is a hit. We miss you, Daddy. Say bye. George, say bye.
Bye!
You having? Yeah. Uh-oh. Good boy.